Hi, in this video we'll be seeing today how to fix the issue of categories on your products on the store. As soon as you are on the products tab, you'll be seeing a list of products on your store. Quickly come and click on the edit button for a particular product. As soon as you just come onto this page, you'll be able to see all the details of your product just similar. If you want to add sizing and color options, you can check out the video attached above. Click on the link above and you'll be redirected to that video. Now let us come back on fixing the categories for the product. Since you have added only a single category, either way is out. So let us quickly try to understand how these categories actually work. So under the category of clothing we have top wear, and then under top wear we have tops, crop tops, t-shirts. In the same way, coming below, and we will be having different categories that will be easy to go for. Bottom wear also comes under clothing, but under bottom wear we again have some sub categories which are called as jeans, jeggings, leggings, etc. Then coming down here, let us come down, and as soon as we just come to jewelry we'll be able to see categories like earrings, necklaces. Under necklaces we'll be able to see options like pendants, ethnic and stuff like that. Now the mistake that you already did was you have only selected a single product category, which means your product will be highlighted only and only when a person is searching for scrunchies. But this product should also be highlighted when someone is searching for hair accessories, which it does not do right now. So let us try to see quickly how to fix that out. As soon as we just go back here, we'll be able to see accessories and hair accessories. For every product that you are uploading, you have to select 3 options for a single product. There should be a main category, a subcategory and a subcategory. In case if there is a subcategory not available for the product, you can just pick a main category and a subcategory. That also works. But do not forget to pick as many applicable categories and subcategories for your product while uploading your products. These categories are the main primary reason that gives a better visibility to your product on the store. Let us just fix it right now. Quick away, select accessories, and coming back here again we'll select hair accessories, and scrunchies was already selected. Accessories, hair accessories and scrunchies. This is all that we were required to do right now. And coming below here at the bottom of the page, do not forget to save your product. As soon as you have saved your product, you will get an instant immediate confirmation on the website itself says success, the product has been saved successfully, and you can just cross verify that yeah, it has been saved. And thanks for watching this video, and hope you fix all your categories as soon as possible. Thank you.